Let's look at final exam, question number 23, found on page 238 of Everyday Math Demystified, 2nd edition. The question talks about a home heating system manufacturer that offers you a couple of options for heating your house. One is a wood pellet stove that provides 32,000 British thermal units per hour. And the other one is a gas furnace that provides 80,000 British thermal units per hour. The question asks us, what is the ratio of the stove's output to the furnace's output? Well, this is the ratio. The furnace they call Model X, the pellet stove Model Y. Seems like maybe they could come up with some more imaginative names than that, but that's what they call them. What's the ratio of the output of Model Y to the output of Model X? Well, it's simply this, but that's not any of the choices we're given. When we want to express a ratio, it's best if we reduce the fraction to its lowest terms. We can probably do that in our heads here. British thermal units per hour no longer become relevant when we talk about a plain ratio. It's just the number divided by the number. Well, first of all, we can get rid of the thousands. So we're left with 32 divided by 80. Well, you might recognize that both of those numbers are divisible by 8. 32 divided by 8 equals 4. 80 divided by 8 equals 10. Well, that's still not in lowest terms, but we can see right away that that equals 2/5 or 2 to 5. That is the answer that we see in choice C. So that is the ratio. When we write a ratio, we can use a colon between them instead of the slash. Means the same thing mathematically, but 2 to 5 is the ratio of the output power of the pellet stove to the output power of the gas furnace. Those are pretty typical values, by the way, for small house heating. Pellet stove might go up to 40 or 50,000 BTUs per hour at the most. Furnaces sometimes over 100,000 BTUs per hour, but in this case, I guess it depends. Do you want to heat with gas or do you want to heat with wood?